Greetings, friends! Happy Tuesday night to all of you. More state governors have decided to allocate unused crisis relief funds for another round of stimulus checks for their residents. This is awesome news for thousands of Americans. Over 500,000 relief payments were just sent out. Friends, this is your fourth stimulus check update and daily news report. Please do make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and watch until the end of this video to learn how to enter my $100 Walmart gift card giveaway, which is scheduled for this Friday.
Year, and this year before it's over in the White House. In the White House. It's a genuine regret. We haven't had a chance to personally thank so many of you who broke your neck for us. Broke your neck for us when things didn't look good at all. And folks, a little over a year ago, we were all part of the most consequential presidential election in American history. Not because we won, but it was the largest turnout in American history. 81 million people showed up to vote. 81 million. In the middle of a pandemic, 81 million people showed up. And it's because of all of you. Now, a year later, we have a lot to be proud of. We passed two historic pieces of legislation. The American Rescue Plan delivered immediate relief to millions of people and rescued the economy from the brink. We're growing faster than any other nation in the world in terms of our growth rate. Since its passage, we have a record number of jobs. We've created over 6 million jobs since January 20th. No new presidency ever created that many jobs as quickly. And we've seen the extraordinary drop in unemployment. It's at 4.2% nationally, and we're heading towards below 4% unemployment. And look, economic experts have predicted it would take another 2 years before we'd see a drop in unemployment rate at that level. And we've gone from just 2 million Americans vaccinated to over 203 million Americans vaccinated.
Massachusetts Governor Charlie Baker signed a nearly $4 billion spending bill that will put federal recovery dollars and state budget surplus funds into the hands of towns, schools, small businesses, and others affected by the crisis, but not before attempting to change how the Commonwealth's frontline workers will receive a promised $500 million. Governor Charlie Baker wrote in a letter, "This bill directs funding to key areas in need of support as Massachusetts continues its recovery from the crisis. It invests substantially in healthcare, housing, and home ownership, workforce development, and other key priorities." Governor Baker did not do much to alter the compromise worked out between the House and Senate Democrats earlier this month to spend billions from the state budget surplus and the state's share of the federal American Rescue Plan Act. Governor Baker also wrote that he wants to skip the Legislative Commission and handle the payments through existing government entities under his control. Governor Baker also told reporters, "We could send out $500 checks to almost 1 million Massachusetts residents as soon as possible." Reinstituting the panel-driven process envisioned by the legislature will simply disrupt the rollout midstream. Texas Governor Greg Abbott has also signed a bill into law that will allocate the nearly $16 billion in funding awarded to the state earlier this year through the Federal American Rescue Plan Act. The stimulus package was signed by President Biden in March 2021 to provide nearly $1.9 trillion to help with the public health and economic recovery. According to Governor Greg Abbott, the bill allocates federal funding to support Texans who are in need, including our veterans, rural communities, small businesses, and frontline workers. Allocating these federal funds paves the way for a more prosperous, brighter future for all Texans. So friends, what are your thoughts on these new state relief bills? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. The last round of second Golden State stimulus checks are set to be delivered in the next coming weeks. Around 900,000 checks worth up to $1,100 are expected to be delivered before New Year's Eve. California has estimated that around 9 million people are eligible to receive the checks. The latest round of payments began December 10th and included nearly $575 million in funds. About 803,000 total payments have been or will be issued this round, including about 9,000 direct deposits worth about $6.1 million and 794,000 paper checks worth more than $568 million. So in total, the state of California has issued or announced 8.1 million second Golden State stimulus payments worth more than $5.8 billion. As payments have been sent out by zip code, there is just one round left to be issued. According to the California Franchise Tax Board website, the Golden State stimulus payments aim to support low-income California residents, and especially those facing hardship due to this crisis. Friends, the keyword for this video is spruce tree. If you would like to enter this coming Friday's Walmart gift card giveaway, please enter this word spruce tree in the comment section below. Also click and like my videos and make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Now, delayed stimulus checks have been sent out to nearly 500,000 Americans. These are called plus-up payments, which are additional stimulus checks that are sent out to people who had been sent a stimulus check based on their 2019 tax return. When stimulus checks were introduced at the beginning of this crisis, they were given out based on the most recent tax return on file. Some people may have received a lower amount than what they were entitled to, due to the fact that the amount was based on an outdated tax return. Alabama families are also getting $375 this week. In the state of Alabama, families will also be receiving $375 this week. The deposits reflect on the electronic benefit transfer cards. Those $375 will go to 500,000 families in the state of Alabama and are part of the National School Lunch Program. According to Alabama state officials, families with students who received electronic benefit transfers previously for the 2020 to 2021 school year can access the new funds on their existing cards. According to Alabama state officials, families with students who received electronic benefit transfers previously for the 2020 to 2021 school year can access the new funds on their existing cards. Those who are new to the National School Lunch Program will receive cards in the mail within 20 days. The cards are to be used to buy food items at several places, as a USDA Food and Nutrition Service described. Thank you so much, friends, for joining me here this Tuesday night. I greatly appreciate all of you who are watching my videos every day. To say thank you, I'm giving away Walmart gift cards every Friday. If you would like to enter the giveaway, all you need to do is click and like my videos. Comment below the keyword from each video that you watch, and make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, friends, and have a very blessed Tuesday.